You might think drawing Gojo is easy because his eyes are covered, but that's actually what makes the proportions even more important. When the eyes are hidden, the shape of the nose, the position of the blindfold, the jawline, the hair, and the overall balance of the face become extremely important. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the simple method I use to keep my drawing close to the reference. And the best part is, you don't have to be an expert artist to try it. Let's draw Gojo, comma. I usually start my face drawings from the nose, comma. For me, the nose is a very useful reference point because it sits close to the center of the face. Once I establish the position and size of the nose, I can use it to measure the other parts. I can compare the nose with the mouth. I can check the distance between the nose and the chin. I can compare the nose with the sides of the face. And most importantly for this Gojo drawing, I can use the nose to help position the blindfold correctly. Instead of guessing where every part should go, I use the part I've already drawn as a measurement for the next part. That makes the drawing much easier, comma. Now I'm working on Gojo's blindfold. Because his eyes are covered, the blindfold becomes one of the most important features of the face. Its position, angle, width, and relationship to the nose and sides of the head can completely change the appearance of the character, comma. So I don't just draw the blindfold and hope it looks right. I constantly compare it with the reference. Is it too high? Is it too low? Is one side wider? Is the angle correct? These small comparisons can make a huge difference, comma. And this is something you can use in any drawing, not just anime. Don't draw what you think should be there. Draw what you actually observe. Another method that really helps me is what I call my balance method. I don't completely finish one side of the face before moving to the other side. Instead, I work between both sides. I'll draw a little on the left. Then I'll check the right. I'll establish one side of the jaw. Then I'll compare the other side. I'll work on one side of the hair. Then I'll check the opposite side. This helps me maintain the balance of the drawing. Because when you finish one entire side first, it's very easy for small differences to appear. One side might become wider. The jaw might move slightly to one direction. The hair might become heavier on one side. And you might not notice until you're already far into the drawing. By comparing both sides continuously, I can catch those mistakes early. So whenever you're drawing a face, try this. Don't think left side first, right side later. Think left. Compare right. Compare. And if you're drawing for the first time, I want you to remember something very important. Don't try to make your first drawing perfect. And you definitely don't need to be afraid of making mistakes. Start lightly. Enjoy drawing.